Buyers want to make sure your offer gets noticed. This is the time of year when the market starts heating up as we head into the spring season. Competition is picking up as buyers who were on the sidelines decide to get in. To stay ahead, you'll need a strong, strategic approach. Hello, I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity. Let's talk about how to position yourself for success. First, if you are a finance buyer, get a loan approval rather than just a pre-qualification before house hunting. A basic pre-approval is helpful, but being pre-approved means your lender has already verified your financials and run your file through a desktop underwriting process, making your offer much stronger than a simple pre-qualification. Sellers love this because it shows you're serious and ready to move forward. Next, be flexible with terms. Sellers appreciate buyers who work with their timeline, whether it's a quick close or giving them extra time to move. Small adjustments can make a big difference, but be mindful, don't waive key protections like inspections and appraisals unless it makes sense for you. Make sure you are aware of market conditions because although the market may somewhat favor buyers at times, it doesn't mean you will get your lowball offer accepted. Days on market are currently reasonable and sellers seem willing to adjust pricing to move the transaction along if it's within reason. Bottom line, a well-prepared buyer stands out to a seller. If you're ready to secure your dream home, let's connect. You'll be guided through every step from finding the right home to crafting an offer that wins. Reach out today. I'm Maria Trujillo with Realty One Group Integrity.